Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Is this not the same Rufai Oseni? Same Rufai Oseni that was caught driving against traffic. I think he drove on BRT lane. I think that was last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I don't know. Somewhere in Lagos. Rufai Oseni, same guy. He drove on BRT lane, which is wrong. And when officials caught him, instead of apologizing, and admitting that he was wrong, what was he saying? He was saying that he was shouting, "Do you know who I am? I'm going to call the governor of Lagos State." Is it not the same Rufai Oseni? Huh? You're a very disrespectful person, Rufai Oseni. You're getting it wrong, and I'll tell you to your face. Listen to me. Jagaban, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the president of Nigeria. That's the Grand Commander of the Federal Republic, okay? GCFR. He is the president of Nigeria, whether you like it or not. He is our president. You must respect him, okay? Give him the respect that he deserves. If you feel like being president, you have the next 4 years. Go and buy form and contest. And of course, President Tinubu will defeat you. The man just came in. He's been there for just months. Give him time. Rome was not built in a day. You're not better. You, Rufai Oseni, I'm talking to you. You're not better than any other Nigerian out there. Ordinary to apologize because you drove on BRT lane. You couldn't do it. You were shouting on the road. If not, that camera caught you shouting that you want to call the governor of Lagos State. So how are you better? Stop it. Have respect for our president. And the man deserves to be given time to work. Rome was not built in a day. He's been there for a couple of months. He needs time to fix the country.
Indeed, a lion has finally given birth to an antelope. On one hand, we have Rufai Odogu. On the other hand, we have Yul Edochie Odiegwu. Yul Edochie, you should be ashamed of yourself by now. The advice I have for you is, when men are speaking, you should not speak. Whenever men are speaking, Yul Edochie, don't speak. We know where we kept you. You are a polygamous man, and it's fine. That is where we kept you. When it comes to nation building, when it comes to issues or matters that concerns nation building, where Rufai Oseni have a say or has a say, a man like you, Yul Edochie, should not even speak. Whenever men are speaking, Odiegwu, go and look for a place and hide. Do you even watch the interview to know what led to the altercation between Rufai Oseni and his guest that was barking like a dog? You don't know. Yul Edochie, you don't love Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You are a pretender. We know your type. You are looking for food. Hunger is in the land. Your stomach is empty. Like I said, we have kept you in the polygamous life where you belong. Whenever it comes to matters that concern building a nation, guy, shut the fuck up. Shut your mouth up. When it comes to that matter, you're not a man. You are only man enough when it comes to women affair. But when it comes to nation affair, building a nation, you don't have anything to say. You are running around Abuja na miare na Johnny Yeri. You are looking for pepper soup and unkobi. with beer, Eja wash you down. That is all you are looking for in Abuja. You don't love Jagaban. You do not love Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You Ledoche, you don't behave like a reasonable Igbo man. This is not how Igbo people reason. Rufai Oseni will be trying hard to help Nigerians to have a voice, and all Diego like you that don't have anything to offer to anybody will stay one place barking like a dog. Ina eti wo. Ina walk anketa ibina choni neri. Shut the fuck up. Shut your mouth. Mechono, you're a boy. When it comes to nation building, you're a boy. We don't need you in the matter of building nation. Iwo bere nwa. Ewo nwa kana nwara. What if nwa? So shut up and don't insult or even say anything about Rufai, because you don't have, it is not within your jurisdiction to say anything that concerns him. Come on, go and stay where we kept you and stop making noise. Stop barking like a dog. You are moving around Abuja. Think we don't know you? We know you. You are looking for food. As a polygamous man, you need food to take care of your wives and your concubines. Go and stay where we kept you and shut up. Mechono, come on, shut up. Who are you to speak when Rufai Oseni is speaking? Or Diego? Who are you? Onikewu? I never knew that I would be this disappointed in you. But I'm happy it happened. You showed your true color. We are going to save your video for you. You say we should allow Jagaban. We should give him time to build a nation. Do you know the meaning of building a nation? If I ask you 3 questions about how a nation can be built, will you answer? Can you even give me in one sentence what you can say about building a nation? You can't say anything. All you have in your head is women. So also he will say one. You don't know anything to say because you don't know what it entails to build a nation. Continue pretending. Continue dancing around Tinubu just because you want to eat crumbs that is falling from his table. Is that not what you want? But what I'm telling you today is this. Whatever that has to do with Rufai Oseni, nah, guy, open your mouth there. Guy, remove your mouth. Go back to your polygamous life and take care of your women. Leave us to fight for the freedom that you don't want to fight. Moving around your stomach every day, and people are risking their lives to save a little child in Nigeria that cannot have a decent hospital. And a shameless and a disgraced man like you will come out and be fighting the people fighting for the freedom of ordinary Nigerians. Shame on you. Fellow Meg. We are here, and you are going to tell us the nation Bola Ahmed Tinubu built in 4 years.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back. Una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. It's your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. you.